The Hope House in Bangor is still at risk of closing. Late last year, the Penobscot Community Health Center announced it lacks the funding the shelter needs to stay open. The Maine state legislature included more than $7 million in its supplemental budget to provide funding for 5 low-barrier shelters in Maine. One of those is the Hope House. Representatives from the shelter say the funding covers more than half of its $800,000 deficit, but the company still needs to secure private funding and a new owner. Senator Joe Baldacci says the funding will cover the Hope House for the next 3 years.
Which is critically important because it gives the community and others time to figure out a longer-term plan and still serving people. So,
you know, it's the second largest shelter in the state and the third largest city in the state when we're in a homeless crisis. I mean, it would be really disastrous if that shelter closes. So.
PCHC is working with Preble Street on the possibility of the Portland-based agency taking over operations. Preble Street Executive Director Mark Swan says he hopes to give PCHC a final answer by next month.